Hi everyone, this is Lauren with the Central Arkansas Library System. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to access the Art and Humanities database from the CALS website. So as you can see right here, I'm on cals.org. That's just our main website. So whenever you go to cals.org, this will be the first thing that pulls up. We're going to go down to this Learn tab. As you see, we've got Research, Resources, and Online Learning. We're going to go to Research Tools. Click on that. And then under our art section, as you can see, these are all of the research tool categories that we have. You're more than welcome to scroll through here as they are in alphabetical order, but if you're looking for specific research tools, I would recommend just using this by subject section. So when we click on the art section, the first thing that pops up is our Art and Humanities database. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're just going to click Go to Arts and Humanities database. And from our website, see, it takes you to this site. This site is called Proquest. A lot of our research databases use Proquest, except they are specialized. So say you're looking for something like paintings, just general paintings, and you want something about abstract paintings, you can search. And it brings up all of the research tools that we have on different paintings. So whether this looks like this is a magazine right here. There are some scholarly journals. This is really beneficial if you are looking to write a paper on something art related. I'm just going to walk you guys through how to use some of the most basic settings. So if we want to sort by relevance, say we're looking for a really old document, we would probably want to do oldest first, or if we're looking for something that's more recent, we'll click most recent first. When it says limit to, we can limit to the full text. What that means is instead of the listing possibly showing you where you can go further to find that information, if you select full text, that will only bring up information that you can access directly in the page. So say if I were to click on Colorado Abstract Paintings and Sculpture, I can click full text or full text PDF, and this shows me the full text of the document, or full text PDF if you would like to download it to your computer for you to view on your own time. It pulls it up for me right here. But if we don't want to look at that one, we can just click that back button. Once again, all right, so the next thing is going to be peer reviewed. This is more so going to be important if you're looking at the most possible credible information. So if we click peer reviewed, this means that this has gone through a panel of scholarly people who are in these fields to research the credibility of it, and if they are in this full text and peer reviewed category, you know that this is going to be the most optimal resource information that you can get. So under here, we can see the source type. So scholarly journals, just like I said, that's going to be if you're doing academic resource. And then other sources are going to be things like magazines, newspaper clippings. This also helps with the date. So of course, up here we can sort by how old it is. But here, if you're really looking for something as far back as, let's say, the 1950s, I drug those sliders back and I can just hit update. And now this only gives us information that was published. See, this one is May 1959. If you're looking for something that far back, these are just further filters that you can use. So from selecting 1950s, these are the documents that come up for the publication titles. If you're looking for specific document types, you can click those right there. This information over here, so this is going to be your citation, and once again, also very helpful if you're doing research, but this will cite your document for you. If you would like to email it to yourself or email it to somebody else, you can select this email right here, and this is to archive. So if for whatever reason you don't have time right then to look at the document, but you would like to save it to your profile, you can just click that, and then some other options are going to be things like modifying your search, looking at your recent searches, or if you just want to not save a specific document but save your search terms, you can click that right there. So this is really the entirety of our Art and Humanities database. Like I said, you can also come over here if you want basic searches or more advanced searches. I do typically recommend just doing the basic search because that's where you're going to find the most general information, but if you need something very specific, an advanced search might be more helpful. The only difference between the two is, as you can see, this little search bar looks different. It gives you the ability to put in regular keywords and also things in addition to those keywords that you would like to look at. And it allows you to select from the very beginning the source type, the document type, and what language you would like it in. If you have any other questions about how to access or use this research database, feel free to email me at ledixon@cals.org, and I'll do my best to help.